If you clicked on this video, congratulations. You're about to discover 5 completely free AI video generators with 0 limits. No credits, no daily caps, no paywall blocking features. I've spent hours testing dozens of tools to find the ones that actually deliver professional results without costing you a cent. Some are well known, others are hidden gems barely anyone talks about. For each tool, I'll show you what it does best and exactly how to use it. Hit that like button and let's dive in. The first tool I want to show you is Mind Video AI. This is an AI tool that gives you access to Sora 2 for completely free. And the results I got are totally insane. So go to mindvideo.ai and create a free account. You instantly get 17 free credits after signing up. But don't worry because the model we're using doesn't require credits. It's completely free to use with no limits. Now click on text to video on the left sidebar. This is your video generation workspace. For the model, choose Sora 2 free, which costs 0 credits. Now write your prompt. Here you can choose your aspect ratio. I'll go with 9:16. As you can see, the video length is 15 seconds, which is actually really impressive for a completely free model. Most free AI video generators give you 3 to 5 seconds max. Now click on create and wait for your video to generate. Let me show you some videos I generated using Mind Video. I made this video of a monkey playing video games. Look at that. I think the result came out super clean. I also made this video of a dog refusing to move during a walk, very clean. This is stupidly good, and the wildest part is that you can get this level of quality and realism for totally free. As you can see, the free version adds a watermark to your videos, so let me show you how to remove it. Just drop it into this unwatermark tool, draw a box over the Mind Video logo in the corner, and click remove. And just like that, it's gone. Here's the final result. Sora also supports image-to-video generation, and it does a really good job. Just go to image-to-video and upload your image here, add a detailed prompt of what you want your video to look like, and generate it. Perfect as you can see. So if you're looking to create quick, high-quality AI videos, Mind Video AI with Sora 2 is the way to go. Now, the next tool I want to show you is Grok. This is an AI tool that is built by xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, and the output quality is pretty impressive for a free tool. To get started, head over to grok.com and make an account, then click on Imagine. This is the main interface. From here, you can generate both images and videos, and you can choose different aspect ratios depending on your content. Now you can create videos from scratch using a text prompt, or you can upload a reference image and animate it. Let's start with text to video. I'll type in a detailed prompt describing the scene I want, the setting, the action, the mood. Then I click on generate, and what I like the most about Grok is that the generation time is super fast and the output always comes out good. Just look at the result. The video comes with sound automatically included. Look at that quality, this is perfect. The motion is smooth and the details are sharp. If you're not completely happy with the result, you can simply regenerate. There are no limits on how many times you can try, and the generation speed is very fast. Here are a few more videos I created using Grok. Take a look at it. As you can see, the results are fairly consistent in quality. I really like how it turned out overall. One particularly interesting feature here is the ability to create talking characters, which makes this tool incredibly useful for simple animated storytelling. You can have characters deliver dialogue with realistic lip sync and facial expressions. Now let's try the image-to-video feature. But before we upload anything, I recommend disabling automatic video generation first. This gives you way more control over the final result. Click on your profile icon, then Setting. Now click on Behavior and turn off automatic generation. This means the AI won't immediately animate your image the moment you upload it. Now I'll upload a photo. Once it's loaded, just click on Make Video and the AI will start generating a video using the image. This is how it turned out. If you don't like it, you can try adding a prompt and telling the AI what you actually want. This is how the result turned out using a prompt. The motion is smoother and more controlled, and the movement follows exactly what I specified. Let's try another image, but this time I'll make the character talk. I'll add dialogue to the prompt. Look at that. The lip sync works very well, and the animation stays stable throughout the entire clip. Alright, the next tool I want to cover is honestly a hidden gem that most creators are sleeping on. This tool is called Veer. I'll drop the link in the description as usual. Now, Veer offers a ton of features like image generation, background removal, all kinds of stuff. But right now we're focusing on the image-to-video generation feature. As the interface explains, you can generate high-quality videos from a simple image and a prompt. But here's where it gets interesting. When you go to generate your video from the image, you'll see the field for the prompt describing how you want the image to be animated. But there's also a separate prompt field specifically to control the camera's movement. This is an absolute game changer. With this, you can create complex camera movements like smooth pans, cinematic dollies, and orbital shots that are literally impossible with other free tools. And if you're not sure how to animate it or what camera movements would work best, just click the light bulb icon. The AI will analyze your image and automatically write the perfect animation prompt and camera prompt for you. So all you have to do is upload your image, then add an animation prompt describing what you want to happen in the scene. Add a camera prompt describing how you want the camera to move. Or if you prefer, just use the AI helper to generate both for you. Then choose your video format. And to make sure this stays completely free and unlimited, you need to keep the settings exactly as I'm showing you right now. For the video length, set it to 5 seconds, frame rate to 24 or 25 frames per second, video dimension to 768p, and mode set to quality. This specific configuration keeps everything unlimited and free. Now click on Generate. Look at this result. As you can see, the video quality is incredibly high. And remember, you can generate as many of these as you want with no limit. You now have a tool that gives you director-level control over your animations without spending a single cent. Meta AI just launched their latest version, and this changes everything for content creators because, unlike other AI companies, Meta took a completely different approach. They're giving you unlimited access to their image and video generation models for completely free with zero limits. This is what makes it so special. Just scroll down on their platform and look at the quality of videos it's pumping out. This is honestly insane quality level outputs for a free tool. Meta AI creates both vertical and horizontal content, and it has no problem generating certain brands or recognizable characters that other AI tools don't allow. To get started, go to Meta AI and click on Create. Now, after using this tool for weeks, testing every feature and pushing it to its limits, I've discovered a specific workflow that unlocks its full potential. So once you're in the Create section, we're not jumping straight to video generation. Instead, we're going to create a series of images first that will then transform into videos. This approach gives you complete control over every visual detail before you animate anything. Now select your aspect ratio. For this example, I'm creating a horizontal video for YouTube, so I'll select the 16:9 ratio. Now under Aesthetics settings, these sliders determine the style and look of your generated content. Based on my tests, I recommend setting variety at 40, weirdness at 0, and stylization at 180. You can experiment with these values as much as you want to find the best style for your video. Now write your prompt and hit Generate. Meta will generate 4 different image variations. Look through all 4 and pick the best one. If you don't like any of the images, you can try changing the prompt and regenerating. Remember, Meta is completely free with no limits, so you can regenerate as many times as you want. Once you have your image, click on it. Now, before you animate anything, you've got several options. First, you can apply a restyle. This keeps the image content identical but completely changes the visual appearance. Different art style, different color palette. You can also download the image if you only need a static version for thumbnails, or click Edit this image to make specific modifications before animating. Maybe you want to adjust the background, change a color, or remove an object. When your image is exactly how you want it, click on Animate, and the AI will automatically analyze the scene and animate it based on what it sees. As you can see from this result, the auto-animate feature is not that great. Sometimes it nails it, but other times it's pretty bad. To fix this and get actual good results, let's try generating with a custom prompt. Click Custom Animate, then add a detailed custom prompt and click on Animate. As you can see, the result came out so much better, so I highly suggest using a custom prompt for animating images. Now, once your video is generated, you can download it if you're satisfied with it. If not, you can keep working with it. Go to the Restyle section and apply visual effects just like you did with the images. This is perfect for creating a signature look for your content. Now, my favorite feature is this one. If a 5 or 10 second video feels too short, just click on Extend, and the AI analyzes what's happening in the last frame and extends the video several more seconds. The transition is smooth and natural. You can click on Extend again if you want an even longer video. So, with just a few clicks, you can generate videos as long as you need. Just keep extending until you're satisfied. Now, for the final tool, we have Qwen 3. And this one's a sleeper that deserves way more attention. Qwen AI just dropped a massive update that completely transforms what you can do with free AI video generation. A brand new image to video feature. Head over to the Qwen website. You can sign up with a fresh account or simply log in with your Google account for instant access. The moment you're in, you get immediate access to a complete panel of AI models designed for different creative and productivity tasks. Building websites, generating text, solving complex problems, conducting internet research, and of course, generating videos. Right away, you can choose your aspect ratio. I'll go with horizontal for YouTube. Let's start with text-to-video generation. Simply write a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create, then click send and wait for the generation to finish. And here's the result. Look at the quality. This is solid text-to-video generation that doesn't cost you anything. But here's where Qwen really excels at, the new image-to-video feature. So start by generating the base image. You can use Qwen's own built-in image generator, which already does a surprisingly good job. Or if you want, you can bring in an image from another tool like Meta AI and upload it into Qwen. Just drag and drop your picture into the upload area. Once your image is loaded, write a prompt describing the action you want to see. The more specific you are, the better the AI understands what you want. Click send and let the AI do its work. And boom, look at this. The AI just transformed that single static image into a full dynamic video. It also handles images of real people and photorealistic scenes with impressive accuracy. And Qwen generates your video with sound included. This combination of text-to-video and the new image-to-video feature makes Qwen 3 an absolute powerhouse for content creation. And there you have it, 5 powerful free AI video tools. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and drop a like on this video.